Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure as we explore the top 7 SUVs tailored specifically for our beloved seniors. Aging gracefully often means prioritizing comfort, safety, and convenience, especially when it comes to our choice of wheels. So sit back, relax, and join me on this exhilarating journey through the finest SUVs designed to make every drive a delightful experience for our golden-aged drivers. Subaru Outback. Let's kickstart our exploration with the renowned Subaru Outback. Crafted with the discerning needs of seniors in mind, this SUV effortlessly combines style, comfort, and safety to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Its elevated driving position not only offers a commanding view of the road ahead, but also facilitates seamless entry and exit for our esteemed seniors. Equipped with an array of advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, the Outback ensures a secure and confident ride, regardless of the weather conditions. Lexus RX. Moving on to our next contender, we have the illustrious Lexus RX. Exuding opulence and refinement, this luxury SUV is tailored for seniors who demand nothing but the best in comfort, security, and sophistication. From its sleek exterior design to its meticulously crafted interior, the RX epitomizes elegance in motion. With a comprehensive suite of advanced safety systems, including an array of sensors and cameras, this SUV acts as a vigilant guardian on the road, offering our seniors unparalleled peace of mind during their travels. Toyota Highlander. Now let's turn our attention to the versatile Toyota Highlander. Perfectly suited for seniors seeking comfort and convenience on every journey, this SUV boasts a spacious interior and plush supportive seating to ensure a supremely comfortable ride, no matter the distance. Its generous cargo space allows for worry-free packing, while advanced safety features, including camera-based safety systems, enhance visibility and confidence behind the wheel. With impressive fuel efficiency and a powerful yet eco-friendly engine, the Highlander is the ideal choice for seniors looking to embark on memorable adventures without compromising on sustainability. Hyundai Santa Fe. Our next contender, the meticulously crafted Hyundai Santa Fe, is engineered with a keen focus on safety, comfort, and reliability. Designed to cater to the unique needs of seniors, this SUV offers a perfect blend of style and practicality. Equipped with advanced safety features and a spacious interior, the Santa Fe ensures seniors ride in both style and security. Its user-friendly infotainment system further enhances the driving experience, making navigation a breeze. With a smooth and comfortable ride, thanks to its soft suspension and responsive handling, the Santa Fe is a top choice for seniors seeking a dependable companion on the road. Honda CR-V. Now let's shine a spotlight on the redesigned Honda CR-V. Offering a harmonious blend of practicality, comfort, and safety, this SUV has undergone a makeover for 2023, emerging as a top contender for senior drivers. With its capacious cabin and intuitive infotainment system, the CR-V elevates the driving experience for seniors, while its advanced safety technologies provide an extra layer of protection on the road. From its comfortable seating to its user-friendly controls, every aspect of the CR-V is designed with seniors in mind, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride mile after mile. Subaru Forester. Let's not overlook the trusty Subaru Forester, a compact SUV that packs a punch when it comes to safety and practicality. With standard all-wheel drive and a steadfast commitment to safety, this SUV stands tall as an ideal choice for senior drivers. Its roomy interior and intuitive infotainment system ensure a comfortable journey, while top-notch safety features prioritize peace of mind behind the wheel. From its responsive handling to its excellent visibility, the Forester is designed to make every drive a breeze for our esteemed seniors. Volvo XC40. Last but certainly not least, we have the Volvo XC40, a versatile and practical SUV that provides an exceptional driving experience for seniors. With its refined handling and intuitive safety features, the XC40 is designed to help seniors navigate the road with confidence and ease. Its spacious interior offers ample headroom and legroom, allowing seniors to stretch out and enjoy the ride. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, the XC40 offers seniors peace of mind on every journey. Before we wrap up our journey through the best SUVs for seniors, let's take a moment to reflect on the significance of choosing a comfortable and safe vehicle for our beloved elders. As we age, our needs and abilities may change, but our desire for independence and freedom remains unwavering. Selecting the right car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about ensuring a sense of security, confidence, and joy on every journey. For seniors, a comfortable and safe car isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about finding a vehicle that fits like a tailored suit, providing ample space, supportive seating, and intuitive controls. It's about investing in advanced safety features that act as a silent guardian, offering reassurance and peace of mind on the open road. Whether it's a trip to the grocery store or a cross-country adventure, a reliable and comfortable car can make all the difference in maintaining independence and enhancing overall well-being. Moreover, choosing a car that prioritizes comfort and safety isn't just beneficial for seniors. It's also a gesture of love and respect from family members and caregivers. By selecting a vehicle that meets the unique needs of seniors, we're not only enhancing their quality of life, but also showing them that their safety and comfort are our top priorities. So, as we conclude our exploration of the finest SUVs for seniors, let's remember the importance of choosing a car that goes beyond mere transportation. Let's strive to provide our elders with vehicles that empower them to embrace life's adventures with confidence and dignity. After all, when it comes to driving into the golden years, comfort and safety are non-negotiables. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey, and may your road ahead be filled with comfort, safety, and endless joy. Until next time, happy and safe driving! In summary, these top 7 SUVs for seniors redefine the driving experience, blending style, comfort, and safety into a seamless package. Whether you prioritize luxury, reliability, or environmental consciousness, there's a perfect SUV waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this exhilarating journey, and remember, safety and comfort know no age limit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, happy trails